Yo, what is up guys, this is Lexus Gs300 and this goes for essentially all Lexus from this era with the adaptive cruise control, or any cruise control basically. Here we have the adaptive one, and the way that you use it is very simple. You press this button right here, you can see radar ready, and now that you essentially go to speed, let's say we go 40 kilometers an hour, you can push it down and hold, and it will automatically engage to the specific speed that you're going. You can press it up to up it by 5 kilometers, or press it down to lower it with 5 kilometers, which is very useful. You don't have to use the pedals at all. And the way that you cancel it is you push it towards you, and this is going to essentially remember the speed that you were going before, but it will cancel the cruise control, meaning that essentially if you go 130 kilometers an hour but you have to go through a tunnel or something, you have to of course slow down. So you can press it towards you, and after you go through the tunnel you can push it upwards, which is going to reset it with the speed that you had before. And the way that you turn it off is very simple. You press once again and it is cruise control off. Of course, if you have the adaptive cruise control, meaning that it can detect cars in front of you and slow down according to their speed, you can use this thing here. Once that you of course push it and you see the cruise control light here on the left, you can control the distance to the car in front, meaning that if you push it like this, it is going to be the shortest amount of space in between you and the car in front of you, and obviously this is going to be the highest gap. And once again you turn it off by pressing it.